Hello and welcome to A Good Stir. Today I'm sharing a very special recipe, my Yaya's Ensalada Mixta, or Spanish mixed salad. This recipe was passed down to my mom, and I have so many fond memories of eating this growing up. It's fresh, simple, and full of flavor, so let's get started. Start by peeling, washing, and cutting 2 russet potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Boil the potatoes just until they are fork tender. You don't want to overcook them where they would fall apart. If you cut them into 1-inch chunks, aim for 6 to 8 minutes of boiling, but check them at 5 minutes and every minute after that to ensure they don't overcook. When they are done, drain them and set them aside, allowing them to cool completely. At the same time, hard-boil 2 eggs, also allowing them to cool completely when they are done cooking. Cut 2 Roma tomatoes into bite-sized pieces. Next, slice the green onions into 1/2-inch pieces. Cut the cucumbers into half moons, slice them in half lengthwise, then cut across into little crescents. And finally, chop your hard-boiled eggs and romaine lettuce into bite-sized pieces. In a jar or mixing bowl, add 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, and salt and pepper to taste, and give it a shake or a stir. Add your entire can of tuna, including the olive oil, into a bowl and break the tuna into pieces. Now it's time to assemble the salad. Add all of your ingredients into a mixing bowl. Shake or stir the dressing before pouring it over the salad. Give this all a good stir and add salt and pepper to taste. And there it is, my Yaya's Ensalada Mixta. Fresh, colorful, and full of flavor. I hope you give this recipe a try and make it part of your own family table. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like and subscribe and come back for more easy and delicious recipes.